Member Mulder.
Thank you, Honourable Deputy Chair of Chairs, Honourable MECs, Honourable MEC for Agriculture, Honourable Engelbrecht for introducing the motion. The spread of foot and mouth disease in Gauteng has exposed a fundamental weakness in our animal health and law enforcement system. While the department continues to report on vaccines, monitoring programs and awareness of campaigns, the uncomfortable truth is that disease containment becomes virtually impossible when thousands of livestock cannot be properly identified, traced or verified. The greatest threat to Gauteng's livestock industry is not only the disease itself, it's the uncontrolled movement of unregistered animals through informal markets, illegal auctions, communal grazing areas and transport networks that operate beyond the effective reach of authorities. The department cannot claim to contain an outbreak when it cannot account for where all the animals originate from, where they are moved to or where they have been exposed to infected herds. The reality is that neither the department nor law enforcement agencies currently possess the capacity to adequately monitor and enforce compliance across the entire livestock value chain. The result is a dangerous gap in our biodiversity system. Honourable Deputy Chair of Chairs, disease control requires more than vaccines. It requires accountability, traceability and enforcement. The FF Plus therefore calls for the urgent implementation of a comprehensive livestock identification and traceability system covering all cattle, sheep, goats and pigs in Gauteng. We call for strengthened cooperation between veterinary services, municipal law enforcement, the South African Police Service, organised agriculture, stock theft units and farmers to identify and monitor high-risk movement routes. We further call for unintensified inspections, auctions, sales yards, transport checkpoints and informal trading facilities. Without proper traceability, vaccination programs become little more than damage control. If Gauteng is serious about containing foot and mouth disease, it must first restore control over the movement and identification of animals. Anything less is merely treating the symptoms while ignoring the source of the infection. Our farmers, our food security and economy deserve better. I thank you, Deputy Chair of Chairs.